guys, you've made it to Epic Adventures. On this vlog, we're gonna head up to Anda Beach because everybody says that's the nicest beach to go to around here. So I'm gonna take a quick jump in the ocean and then we're gonna pack up the drone and we're gonna head north and see what we can find. Let's go. Okay, so I made it to the ocean. I don't know. Looks like this is where lots of the local people are going swimming. Come look. There you are. You say hi?
Hi.
You say hello.
Hello.
There we go. Okay, so I was just flying a drone and we got some kids that showed up and they want to see this thing because it looks cool, right? Is it scary?
Yeah.
Ah! No, it's not scary. It's a cool toy. We like this thing. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Alright. I stopped for a snack. Don't keep your crayons in the sun. Holy mackerel. It is hot today. I'm getting burnt through my shirt. Bread pan. Savory toasted bread. Garlic flavor. So I'm guessing these are little garlic bread things. Choco nuts. I'm pretty sure that these are melted right now. It's like 35 degrees outside. And jumpy peanut butter filled snacks. Let's see what they taste like. Tastes like peanut butter. Mmm. I got a message. Like, there's peanut butter resemblance in them. More sugary than anything. My sister would like these. She likes peanut butter. Yeah, they're pretty good. When I saw them, I thought it would be more like a cracker with peanut butter in it. But this is more like a cinnamon tube with peanut butter. It's a pretty good snack. I like this one. Let's try another one. Melted chocolate pretzels. Now my fingers are greasy, I can't open it. Oh yeah, that's melted. Look at that. Mmm. That tastes about right. Shock nuts. Chocolate covered pretzels. Delicious in every bite. There's now a bird in the bush going choo choo choo, choo choo choo. And like, it just mimicking my phone. It's the funniest thing because as I was walking back to the scooter here, because I was way over there, Then I kept hearing my phone ring, and I was like, what? Why? How did my phone get into the bush? Like, did I leave it on that side somewhere and the sound's just going funny? And I don't know, I hold my phone and then all of a sudden I hear my ringtone again, and it's actually that bird is just making the sound of my phone. I thought that was pretty funny. That's just one of the joys of experiencing a new place. That was an adventure in and itself. Yeah. See? Oh, did you hear it? Hold on, listen. No, you're probably not going to hear it on this thing. Just trust me, there's a bird making the sound of a spaceship going shoop shoop shoo. So today I went and bought something, and it's because my white skin is getting really, really non-white. So in my travels I found skin whitening lotion with light field technology. So I don't know what it is. It says SPF 20 on it. That's the closest thing to sunscreen that I think I found. But just let me read you the write-up on the back. I had a good laugh at this. So, SPF 20. There's a light side to being white. Skin White Classic Lotion is now infused with the new light field technology. It helps make skin visibly lighter and smooth, but without the sticky, icky feeling. Now you won't just look lighter, but you'll feel lighter too. Oh my goodness, this is the best product ever. So go ahead, say goodbye to that sticky after feel. Our new improved light formula is easily absorbed by the skin and leaves it with a cooling sensation, making sure your skin is conditioned and made visibly fairer in a lighter way. And we didn't just stop there. Our lotion is also packed with Vita Nourish formula. So that's vitamins B3, 5, 6, C, and E that moisturizes and softens the skin, and SPF 20 that helps protect against the harmful rays from the sun. Now you're on your way towards a brighter you. Experience light-looking, light-feeling skin in just 2 weeks with the new Skin White Classic Lotion with light field technology. Well, there we go. That is Filipino sunscreen there for you. It is infused with light field technology. This was an adventure just in itself. That's a 2-minute adventure right there. So I'm gonna close this vlog now also, because I always forget to do that at the end of the day, because I'm so excited about everything that I just filmed. I want to go look at it, and then I forget about it. So I'm closing the vlog now, even though I don't know what I'm gonna find. So just take it in good faith that I found something. Yeah. That was a great video, wasn't it? Super good. I had a great day. Guys, like this video, subscribe, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Go make somebody smile.